Hello everyone, I hope you're all doing fantastic. In today's video I'm going to show you a super simple way to calculate 20% off a price using your calculator. Let's dive right in. Alright, let's start with an example. Suppose you have an item that costs $1,357 and you want to find out what the final price will be after applying a 20% discount. Here's how you can do it in just 3 easy steps. First, we want to enter the original price of $1,357 into your calculator. Then we want to press the multiply button and we want to multiply by 80. Now, you might be wondering, why do we multiply by 80? Let's break it down. When we talk about percentages, the total is always 100%. A 20% discount means you are paying 20% less than the original price. So, if you take 20% away from 100%, you are left with 80%. In other words, paying 80% of the original price means you are saving 20%. So, by multiplying the original price by 80 and then using the percentage button, you're effectively calculating an 80% of the original price, which gives you the final amount after the discount. So, finally, let's press the percentage button, and voila, the final amount after a 20% off is $1,085.60. Let's do one more example to make sure we've got it. Imagine you have an item this time priced at $2,450. Let's enter the original price, $2,450, into our calculator, press the multiply button, multiply it by 80, press the percentage button, and after a 20% off, the final price comes out to be $1,960. This quick method saves you time, but ensures accuracy. And there you have it, folks, a fast and easy way to calculate 20% off a price using your calculator. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more quick tips and tricks. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.